Once you've validated your root cause, you need to act. And the type of action you take determines whether the fix actually holds. A corrective action fixes a problem that has already occurred. It eliminates the root cause, so the same failure cannot repeat. A preventive action addresses a potential problem, one that hasn't happened yet, and stops it before it ever does. Here's a real example. A pharmaceutical company found contaminated batches traced to a faulty seal on a storage container. The corrective action was to replace all faulty seals and quarantine the affected batches. The preventive action was to add seal integrity testing to the incoming inspection checklist for every new container delivery. Without that preventive step, the next batch of containers with the same defect would cause the same problem all over again. Fix what broke, then design out the conditions that allowed it to break in the first place. Both actions together are what make an RCA complete.